Okay, so after Photoshop, once you've created your gang sheet and you have your TIFF file ready, the next stage is to move to your FlexiPrint. So open up your FlexiPrint. And now when you're in FlexiPrint, you go over to Job, and then you go to where your gang sheet is. So I'm going to use one that I have saved as an example. Um, so I'll go down to test gang 50 inches here. So add in, um, or even 13 inch. I'll do a Charlie one here. So this is one of ours. So 13-inch gang for our t-shirts. So now you hit add. Once the file is added, your gang sheet TIFF file is added. Go down, double click on it, double left click. It'll open up a new box. So in here is your preview of your gang sheet. You want to make sure that it's oriented the right way. Let's just wait till it pops up here. Okay. So now sometimes they're sideways and you got to orientate them up. So just make sure your orientation is correct. Up here is your media size. So if you have a 13 inch, it's 13 inch. And then down here is your job size. So we're going to change that to 10 inches. You can move it up to 12, as high as 12. And then from that point, you hit send. Let it save to the default location and then just hit save. Wait for it to process. Status needs to be in done before we open up PrintXP. So we let it rip, then it prints, and then it's created the PRT file, which is needed for PrintXP. So now that it's in the done status, we're going to go over, we're going to open up our PrintXP. Yes. Wait for it to load in. Once that's green, go over to your file, and then you search for that file name. So I named it Charlie Project Gang. So that's what you look for. I'm going to look for Charlie Project Gang. So there's Charlie Project Gang. And then when you find it, you just double click on it. Now it'll be put into your print job list. So just make sure it's highlighted or it's got a circle around it. Then you can double click on it. And when you're inside it, you can either crop it by hitting region, and then you can crop it to wherever you desire. So let's say, you mucked up on a print or two and you just need like that much or that part of it. So you just take it, kind of crop it to that part, and then you just click OK, and it'll only print that one part for you there. And then once you have that set, so now on here, we're going to crop that back to normal. So I'll go back up. And just unclick region, click OK. Now it's your full gang sheet again. And then this will be highlighted, and then you just hit print from this point.